Principle of Lesson 37. Word ending ingly is represented by a disjoint E circle. Knowingly, knowingly, N-O-ingly. Accordingly, A-K-O full blend of R-D, ingly, accordingly. Increasingly, N-K-R-E-S, ingly, increasingly. Surprisingly, S-E-R-P-R, long I-S, ingly, surprisingly. Seemingly, S-E-M, ingly, seemingly. Exceedingly, E-S-E-D, ingly. Word beginning im is represented by M. Impose, M-P-O-S. Impossible, M-P-O-S, ball. Import, M-P-O-T. Impartial, M-P-A-R-ish. Improvement, M-P-R-O-O-V, ment, or M. Impression, M-P-R-E-ish, or shon. Word beginning M is also represented by M. Employ, M-P-L-O-Y. Employment, M-P-L-O-Y, M or mint. Emphasis, M-F-A-C-I-S. So combination of the left and then the right S. Emphasize, M-F-A-S, long I-S. Empire, M-P long I-R. Embarrass, M-B-A-R-A-S. M followed by a vowel, they are written in full. Okay. Immodest. So it is followed by a vowel. So E-M-O-D-E-S-T. Immortal, E-M-O-T-L. Emotional, E-M-O-ish-L. Omission of minor vowel. When two vowel sounds come together, the minor vowel may be omitted. Serious, S-E-R-U-U, right S. Obvious, O-B-V-U-U-S. Various, V-A-R-U-U-S. Period, P-E-R-O-D. Ideal, long I-D-E-L. Jury, underneath, E-R-E. Situate, S-E-T-E-U-U-T. Situated, S-E-T-E-U-U-D. Situation, S-E-T-E-U-U, ish.